Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get straight into this unboxing. And I should have been unboxed this a while ago, because I've been got these. I've been real lazy on the unboxing, man. If y'all know how many unboxings and just pickups I gotta do, like video wise, it's bad. It's bad. It's real bad. Like real bad. But man, anyways, man, let's talk about these joints, man. Okay. Shows you care. Put that box over there. Man, that was loud. And what we have here is bow, man. Yeah, y'all don't know what these joints is. Y'all don't know nothing about these. I ain't gonna lie, I can't even pronounce this man's name. Is it DYBBUK Lucky 7s? Size 9, colorway is red, gray, UK 8, Euro 42. My size is a 9. Work harder is what it says. Look like it should have been, yup, there we go. Little pop out hole right there. There you go, right there on the box. Open the box. Do have like a little recycle thing, custom wrapping paper, as you can see right there. Custom wrapping paper. I know his name is like Donnie. I know that much. And what we have here, these joints look kind of decent in person. No cap. Bling, flower, burr on the shoes, man. These boys, no cap. These boys look way better in person than I thought they would look. No lie, these look way better in person. Let me see what's the difference. There ain't really no too much difference on the shoe. This one do come with a spare pair of white laces. Main difference that I see is the toe box. Lucky number 7 is what they call, in the toe box right here has a 4 and a 3 indented into the toe box. So that's where you get like the lucky number 7, and it actually is indented into the shoe. So since this has the extra pair of laces on this shoe, we will be doing the review on the left shoe. Let me take this tissue paper out and get straight to the review. These joints are way better in hand. Toe box, as you can see, has that 4 indentation right there. And no lie, the leather on this is actually good. It's not like real stiff leather. This is actually some good leather on here. Like, no cap, this is good leather on here. Now around here it is a little stiff, but it's not like super stiff, but it's stiff though. But this right here is actually, this feels great. You have the red laces going in, I guess these are standard laces for this. You have the red laces going up all the way up the tongue. You do have a gray mesh tongue in the back of it, as you can see. You have his logo right there. Side panel of the shoe, you do have the 4 and the 3 Lucky 7s stitched in right there. Instead of the Nike swoosh sign, you have the dice rolling. Gray panels, you do have a white midsole. On the back, you have his name again. You have the gray stitching right here. You have white stitching right there, and you have red stitching. So you have red, gray, and white stitching on the shoe. And I believe every time the stitching change is like a different cut of the shoe, if I'm not mistaken. Another dope part about this is the insole. Let me see, can I get these insoles out? The insole is really in there. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this insole out. This insole is really glued down. Hold up, maybe I can get this one up. Shit, okay, maybe not. I guess they didn't want nobody to take the insole out of the shoe. But the insole of the shoe is dope though. Let me see, can y'all see if the camera can pick this up. If you can see that, it is actually dice. That's dice rolled in the inside of the shoe. These are dice rolled in the inside of the shoe. The sock liner is red, insole is white, all white with dice rolling down the back of the shoe. You even got a custom tag in the inside. Like, you know how the sizing tag have the barcode and everything? You have his logo, you have the dice. That's actually clean. You got a custom tag on there as well as on the back of here. This is not like anything standard. This is something that I'm sure that he personally put on there. These joints is fire though. I'm glad I was able to cop me a pair. You have an all red outsole of the shoe. You do have his name right there as well. All red outsole of the shoe. These joints is fire. In my opinion, they nice. And of course, as we all know, this is like, I'm pretty sure like the quality and everything is gonna get better as the shoes produce and as he produces more. It is a slight little flaws in this, but nothing major to where I wouldn't wear the shoe, because I'm probably gonna put these on feet maybe tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta flick me some pics up. And it's not like a standard outsole too. As you can see, they changed a little bit. Like right here, they changed this up. As you can see, the little ridges in there, they changed some of this stuff up. I'm noticing as I'm looking at the shoe, they changed the midsole up. They put like indentions and stuff in the midsole, so they changed that up. But yeah, these are definitely fire, man. Finna get y'all real quick on feet of these joints, man. Let y'all see how they look, and we gonna get straight back into the end of the video. Let's get to it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Yo, man, so let me know how y'all feel about these joints down below, man. Did you like them better in hand or on feet, man? I ain't gonna lie, dunks fit my like dunk type shoes fit my feet a little weird. Like, I think I should have got like an 8.5, but I don't know, the 9 fit, like, I don't know. The fit is kind of weird. Like, it feel like I got a lot of space in there, but my feet is like right here. But it feel like overall I got a lot of space in here. I don't know, maybe the padding is different, but I actually got the insole to come out so you all can see what I was talking about. As you can see, it's an all white, but it has the dice rolled in the inside. Overall, my opinion about the shoe is fire. The shoe is fire. I ain't gonna lie. I can see me buying some more. I don't know if I should go, because my feet is like, it's right here at the tip, but it feel like I got so much space in the inside of the shoe. Maybe I like to wear a lot of my shoes loosely, so maybe I need to tighten these up. As you can see, like the laces is real loose. I like to wear my shoes like a little loose, so probably, maybe I just need to tighten these joints up and just, you know, do it like that. But anyways, like I say, copper drop, hot or shot, man. Comment that all down below. We can talk about it down in the comment section. Do you see yourself copping a pair of these? I think he dropped 3 different colorways so far. He dropped this one. He dropped like a reverse version of this one, where it was red at is gray, and where it's gray at is red. And then he dropped like a snake skin version. He called them snake eyes. They was all white, and this right here, I believe, was the dice was snake print, like python print. It was brown with snake eyes on it. Instead of it being a 4 and a 7, it was 2 snake eyes. As you know, that's 1. But yeah, man, copper drop, hot or shot, man. Let me know if y'all can see yourself copping these in the future, man. I say it's a cop for me. I like them. I like them. I can see me copping a couple more colorways of this, man. I believe it was like 170 something. After like 170 something, maybe 180 after taxes or something. Not too bad, not too bad at all. I mean, this is an up and coming brand, so as he produces more, I don't know how the price range is gonna go, but these is definitely fire to me. So comment that all down below. Like I always say, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, and on feet, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.